Okay, so as I showed in another video, I'm going to show a little home performance here. We got the fan running, so it should be pulling air through the return. See right there, you got all that dust in a small opening. That return upstairs is barely connected because here's why: they never finished the job. You can see how the smoke moves. So this is kind of connected too, so it kind of goes up, but this is more connected. Now, when we get to this floor joist bay here, the smoke goes up that hole, but is it going up through the hole because of the return, or is it going up through what's called the chimney effect, where we're going from the floor all the way up connected to the attic? This house has a little spinning roof vents to help suck the air out, whirlybirds we like to call them. So are the whirlybirds sucking the air out of the attic, or are they doing through home performance, having a nice chimney area here to suck the heat out of the house? This is something, if you've got in your house, it's an issue, you want to seal it up. That's why you have any wire penetrations going up. You seal them up simply because it creates that chimney effect, and you pay money to keep and cool the air. Now you're pretty much, with enough leaks, trying to pay money to heat and cool the upper atmosphere. So hope this video is helpful for you. Like and subscribe.